Breaking news at Eba and say Nima police station. Womo sorry Akronfo Aba police station ho. Aba be via womo nyame nina to the extent say a police for ntare sebe a womo ahange kra no akonfo ewia eno nso aka ho. Na uyo obi abu follow me channel we ya. And now this your first time here, or subscribe and click the notification bell on so we understand latest news be about one sa ebeka. Now uyo be follow my channel no for some time now. Obehun say this is actually not news. It is not a new thing that has happened in Ghana. If Obekaya, I think it was earlier this year and I said late last year. When the story be Bremo and also Tema Regional Police Command and also Commander in the office. You could I explained and I told you say sa Tema Regional Police hono sa area na send your commander na the office na wono se wo be boyra ho akwako wi ade ne de na nipa ko ne ni edin because eye petem wo hwa wo mo defense kra na ayewe ni ma ho so sa je say aposifo ne kra wo mo nti asem na se because every single day anye kra no one policeman bi ebe wo ho a wo be guard the place no every day it is say akronfo etume powura ho ebe wia nyama police fo nyama wo mu de ye ejuma ye be wia ne say de police fo ne kra no wo mo nti ase wo mo say in the first place say wo kwa ko wia police they say wo de wo kronfo no say when enuodin bia wo no sebe period asa eye sebe enuodin bia sebe eye nkwase asem enuodin ana nkwase enuodin mo fa ncheme mo fa kasa ne ncheme se akronfo se kronfo benya kokuduro police window wode dade etwa window no ewuemu akwako wia nyama akukuduro awo no se akukuduro awo de me nhye dan hye bi wo wiase muda etiefo na akronfo obviously inyama wo mu wia na enye nipa ba akopɛ ene betumi anti wo behu ne se eye team na omo ba wo mo dɔso ana wo mo ye be 2 ana 3 because inyama wo mu wia na enye easy laptops enya laptops aposifo laptops a wo mo de ye adwuma akronfo ewia itie bia police for case bi wo mo file wo so bibi police ni bibi information bi also no akronfo na wia a serious matter police for printers a wo mo de print wo mo document enya printer printers mo ti asemi yo itala be ka say enye nipa ba ko na ebedi se adwuma yi laptops nipa ba ko kra laptops na obetumi kra e bia wo kita bag na odi ni negum basani a printer emuodu printer no nya printer ba ko na ofa ye printers television sets akronfoi wo mu ni eden laptops TVs printers and other stationery material and also ahomachi ahomachi o and atese akronfoi ko di se edwuma na say na me din kan tell no police for no mpo de say they don't know what to say because omo de imagine say wo no wo bi be wiawa wo be frɛ kronfo wo bi be wiawa e wo ni ma ho na saa time na ko bi wia mo e wo ni ma ho na ka mo be frɛ sorry mo be frɛ police enya kronfo na mo be frɛ police obi be wia mo be frɛ police e wo ni ma ho no na police fu a mo be from say wo mo mra mba chi akronfo amamo no wo mo mpo no akronfo akwakowie omo. You see indirectly what this thing does and they say it sends a message, an indirect message to the indigenes of that town say even as we are not protected. I am speaking on the other side of this whole story. I am speaking on the other side of this whole story. Ebe send a message across to the people of Nima say na police for kra no yekoko wia wo mo nche nkrofo no ye wo mo anche nkrofo no yeko wia wo mo TV wo mo laptops wo mo printers wo mo ntare kra ye wia ye entire ye wia ye o mo just wo mo ehu na me asebe mete ha. So you see, it indirectly sends a message to the indigenes say we are not protected. And so either say ebema akronfo no hu ne say aha ye de yete so, and now say ebema wo mo hono because Ghana we are speaking against mob injustice. Say woche kronfo a na wo bono no, we are speaking against that. But bibi say esia ni makra ya ye nima ye koka so ko wiade wo ni makra na ye bebo deda na imagine say story we asanso ababeka ho. People will have this automatic thought say police for nekra wo munya competent it ye che kronfo a yanka se ebe deal with kronfo no. So these are the negative sides of this whole story. Ebia no obi there asem we sure say wo bi tie ye no na wo dey sre say police for kra ye wi omo na ni bakone dey sre. But you see, this is a very serious matter. Na yanhwe ni ya the message is sent across to people no. It is just a idea bia emma oman enkoso. I have told you this is not the first time. Late last year the same thing happened. Ewa Tema regional and also sa now what the way who obi en wi say hey hey just when ya baby en wi say police wow and do 1 week here me the bramo easy electoral commission I think one of the Ashanti regions no e honso sa obi ko boru a ho a tese wo wi a wo monyama a wo mu de ye adwuma no we de yesre police for e bia send ya na o mo ka you see and tendency e bia police ni na e wo say wo on duty no obeka so we a police station obi amba ha say won ba mbe because what the police are saying is say every single day whether ahomachi o say den anya kra no e wo say nipa baako e wo ho a wo guard the police station ho timi ya sure say bia nipa ko negligence we police station obi aniwa wo benya akukudro say wo obeba ha aba bewi ade me ya sure say nipa ko no police ni no e bia na adwen be sa e na nipa ko no e na ya ba bewi omo no. The Nima police should go down and see say omo yes ade we be chi omo to serve as deterrent. Because for you to have them, say we benya akukudro, ako police station, ako wia wo nyama wo de ye adwuma, atre say unye nipa wo bekun. Sa akukudro fi de, ye de etu ohye unsem a wo bekun nipa without thinking twice. E was say police for dig deep into this matter and making sure say wo mo ma ade enchi e wasem we hu. Ye nim Ghana Adia sha say echi wan asem hu ba 1212 because the thing is say more police for nankasa ya ba bebe wiamo na mo ntumi anche atonfo na wo bia wo no ye civilian ye be wiana. How can you even do investigation and catch the thief? So this is a case study for the police themselves, and they should try as much as possible to come on top of this matter. Yes, their reputation is at stake. In recent times, police are say. Recent times, we hear what people are saying about the police. Canada, Japan are exposing about the police or no untrusted police. Internet better TV so exposing Crawford. Yes, Remo. Yes, Remo. This is a case study for the police themselves. Less than 24 hours. You want to say, well, this to instill the confidence back into the indigenes of Nima. Because the more I didn't people will keep losing faith. As soon as you see, I you're hot. So one chin crofone is here, maybe I'll be chin crofone later. Crofone forget it. Into Obino, a bone in trim says still police for your baby or monocromoon to me and your hay. Bet him their names to create the bonnet. Into your send na hot a yet in is here not nank breaking news. say hey police force say ha matching crofo no ne nke hu ne say yes and they say bia wo mo kwache crofo bi keke just to salvage their name and abibi but wo matching crofo ne hu ne say yes we be matching crofo no yes police for this is a case study and then ebe ma me hu ne say okay obi be wi am I have a confidence say police for be chi nipa kro no because who police e be wi am no chi wo mo but who police e be wi a want to me anchi wo mo a say me so obi be wi am I will not even have confidence say obi to me achi nipa kro no. Chase mo eda hono no mo ntre mo ade comment box ni mo me da ase.